We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Here's what to expect. As previously announced, Nintendo Switch Online ranges in price: $3.99 for a month, $7.99 for 3 months, $19.99 for a year, and family plans that costs $34.99, provided there are at least 2 accounts, but users can get a 7-day free trial to start.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.